In this video, we'll share the best WordPress redirect plugins to make managing URL changes easier. Redirecting old URLs or broken links on your WordPress website can improve user experience and boost your search engine rankings. But how do you know which tools to use? Let's go ahead and look at the top 8 options. Number 1 on the list is All-in-One SEO. It's the best WordPress SEO plugin with over 2 million users. It's the easiest way to perform search engine optimization, helping website owners boost their rankings and drive traffic to their WordPress sites. While All-in-One SEO has many powerful features, one of its most notable is its redirection manager. With this easy tool, you can set up redirects with just a few clicks without coding. In the plugin's redirection dashboard, simply enter your source URL, target URL, choose your redirect type, and click the Add Redirect button. You can choose from several redirects based on your needs, such as 301, 302, 303, 304, 307, 308, and more. The pricing for All-in-One SEO starts at $49.50 per year. Number 2 is SeedProd. Strictly speaking, SeedProd isn't a redirection plugin, it's a drag-and-drop website page builder. However, it has several powerful tools that allow you to redirect pages on your WordPress site safely. First is its built-in Coming Soon page mode, which lets you hide your entire website behind a pre-launch landing page. This mode is best for launching a new website because even though the rest of your site is hidden, search engines can still crawl and index your domain name. Additionally, SeedProd has a maintenance mode. Like Coming Soon pages, it redirects website traffic to a landing page. However, this page uses a temporary 302 redirect to tell search engines to skip crawling your site until maintenance is over. With SeedProd, you can also enable 301 redirects for your 404 page. Simply enable the redirect mode from the settings and enter the destination URL. SeedProd also integrates seamlessly with All-in-One SEO, allowing you to manage your on-page SEO and WordPress redirects easily. SeedProd's pricing starts from $39.50 per year. Number 3 is Yoast Redirect Manager, which is a feature of Yoast SEO Premium. It's another powerful plugin that lets you set up redirects in WordPress. It lets you choose from several different redirect types, from simple 301 redirects to 410 content deleted codes. Additionally, Yoast allows for regex redirects. These regular expressions let you write patterns instead of individual redirects. That way you can redirect a group of URLs with a specific word or pattern with a single redirect. The pricing for Yoast Redirection Manager starts from $89 per year. Number 4 is Redirection, and this is a free WordPress redirect plugin that lets you manage 301 redirects easily on your WordPress site. With this plugin, you can detect 404 errors and tidy up your site's permalink structure. Aside from the above, redirection allows a conditional redirects, which lets you set up redirect rules for user roles, page type, custom post types, HTTP status, IP address, login status, and more. While this may sound technical, the plugin is still easy to use and set up. The pricing for this is free, and you can find it in the WordPress plugin directory. Number 5 is Easy HTTPS Redirection. This is another popular WordPress redirect plugin, however, it's best for websites with an SSL certificate. After installing the plugin, it automatically redirects HTTP URLs to the correct HTTPS version. This forces search engines to index the HTTPS version of your WordPress site and serve the secure version to your website visitors. This is a free plugin you can download from the WordPress repository. Number 6 is 301 Redirects Easy Redirection Manager. It's a no-frills plugin allowing you to perform 301, 302, and 307 redirects for your website. Since this plugin has no other SEO features, it's straightforward to set up and use. It also works seamlessly with translation plugins that use a lang prefix in their URLs. This plugin is available for free. It also has a premium version starting from $49 per year. Number 7 on our list is Simple 301 Redirects. It's an excellent WordPress 301 redirect plugin. It allows you to add permanent redirects from deleted pages to existing URLs on your WordPress site. Even if your page's old URL structure doesn't match the new permalink, this plugin ensures your links redirect seamlessly. This is particularly helpful when migrating your website. Simple 301 Redirects is a free redirection plugin. Number 8 is SEO Redirection Plugin. It's another powerful redirection manager for WordPress. It lets you manage 301 redirects, find and fix 404 errors, and add 302 and 307 redirects. By default, the plugin automatically adds a 301 redirect when you change a page or post URL. It also offers an advanced control panel to redirect folders, view error logs, add regular expressions, select redirection methods, and more. The SEO Redirection Plugin is free to use. So what is the best WordPress redirect plugin? We think the best option is undoubtedly All-in-One SEO. It's easy to use, requires zero coding or experience, and includes powerful features to help rank your WordPress website. Plus, its redirection manager is built right into the plugin, removing the need for additional WordPress redirect plugins. On the other hand, if you need an easy way to customize your WordPress site, SeedProd is a fantastic complementary plugin. With its drag and drop editor and built-in page modes, you can create high converting websites in less than 10 minutes. Even better, SeedProd works seamlessly with One SEO to optimize your site for search engines. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out these videos to learn more about SeedProd and other fantastic WordPress plugins. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.